జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. And they all feeling that we may not be alive anymore because of this thirst. At that time they have seen a light coming from some place, and slowly they reached the place where from they have seen that light. They have seen so many beautiful golden trees there in that place, and they have seen such a wonderful structures, buildings which has golden windows, golden sikharas, such beautiful buildings, palaces they have seen. Also all the Vanaras have seen beautiful great vehicles over there, Vahanas, and so many wonderful fragrances coming out of that bilam. They have seen very delicious food items and drinks, honeys, and beautiful garments, and gold is bundles of golden coins. All these things now Vanaras seeing, and there finally they have seen Dadrusuhu Vanaraha Suraha Striyam Kanchit Adurataha. They have seen a beautiful lady. She is wearing Naravastras, and she is in tapasya, tapasim niyataharam jvalantim ivate jasa. She is in tapasya and glowing with a divine light. All these Vanaras shocked to see such a beautiful lady and doing tapasya. Then Hanuma started asking that lady, Papracha Hanuman Tatra Kasi Kasyava Bilam. Hanuma is asking, oh my dear Ma, who are you? Why are you here? And whose this den? Like this, Hanuma, he is like a huge mountain. Hanuma is huge. That Hanuma is now asking to Krutanjalihi Tam Abhivadya Vruddham. That tapasvi, that lady is older lady. Now Hanuma went to that lady, folding his hands, bowed his head, and while doing namaskaram, he is again asking, Ma, Katvam, who are you? Bhavanam Bilancha Ratnani Hemani Vadasvakasya. These palaces, this bilam, all these gold coins, entire of this wealth belongs to whom? Like that Hanuma very humbly asking that older lady. Hanuma, he is asking that old tapasvi, old lady in that bilam, oh my dear tapasvi, who are you? And whom does all this wealth in this bilam belongs to? Oh tapasvi, kshut pipasa parishrantaha parikhinnascha sarvasaha. We are all hungry and we are all thirsty. That is why we did not even hesitated to come into this bilam. We are in so much of grief and we are in so many troubles, and we don't know what we should be doing now. Oh tapasvi, can you please tell me about your greatness? Can you please tell me about your tapo balam, the power that you got out of your tapas? Like that, when Hanuma asked, that tapasvi is saying like this, Mayo nama mahateja Mayavi Danavarshambha. Oh Vanara, there used to be one Danavasreshta Maya. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.